Hey everyone, had to pull the motor from my R80 and needed an engine stand. Couldn't find anything online. Looks like there's some stuff available in Europe, but I didn't want to go looking for metal and welding and stuff. So I found this motocross engine stand for about 60 bucks on Amazon. I ended up working out pretty good. You just have to find some steel plate. I think this is about 1.25 inches by 1/8, and then drill 2 holes in the back. I ended up slotting the front mainly because the oil pan was hitting. It worked out really well because then you can access the underside without removing the engine from the stand. The other nifty thing was it came with feet that I didn't use, but the thread size was exactly the correct thread size for the inside of the crank. And when you make a strap to block the crank from moving forward, you can thread this in or out to add pressure. Made my life a little bit easier. And then in here, this is just 3/8 rod. And if you buy the next size sleeve up at your big box store, that fits in there perfect. It keeps the threaded rod from chewing up the inside of the block. So just thought I would share this because, like I said, there was nothing on YouTube. And really nothing available here in the States. It worked out really well. If you have to crank on anything, you're gonna have to obviously fasten this thing or clamp it down. While I'm at it, I found that your regular old $7 bicycle wall rack works really good as a helmet hook if you slice a tennis ball. Adios.